These channels are gaining millions of views by simply posting videos about cat stories. Incredible, isn't it? In this tutorial, I'll guide you through creating these popular cat videos using free AI tools. But before we dive in, let's check out a demo video. So let's get started. Step 1. Generate a storyboard. First, open ChatGPT and paste the following prompt, which you can find in the video description, and hit enter. For example, we are going to create a story about a chubby orange fat cat trying to diet. Prompt example, create a story about an orange fat chubby cat attempting to diet. Scene 1, the cat is too fat. Scene 2, the cat heads to the gym. Scene 3, the cat eats less. Scene 4, the very hungry cat is crying. Scene 5, the cat abandons the diet and eats joyfully. ChatGPT will then generate an image story prompt based on your input. If the results don't quite match your vision, use the regenerate button for more options. Then, right beneath it to give you a list of prompts to generate images in an AI image generator, and it will literally just spit it out. Step 2. Generate visuals. Choose any AI tool you're comfortable with. Here, I will use Bing Image Creator. It's free and user-friendly. By copying the image prompt for the first scene, open Bing Image Creator, paste your prompt, click Create, and wait for the images to render. You'll get 4 different options, so pick the one that best suits your story. Repeat this for each scene, adjusting your prompt as necessary to get the best results. Step 3. Final video editing. After creating all your images, open CapCut on your PC or mobile device, create a new project, and import your images, arranging them in the sequence outlined in your ChatGPT storyboard. Adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16 and set each image's duration to 2 or 3 seconds. Add transitions to smooth the flow between scenes. I will use the then and now transition since it is best for present and past comparison. Add music to your video by going to YouTube and search for Meow Meow. You will see more videos, but I will put the main channel video link in the description below, so check it out. Finally, export your creation. Before we watch the final video, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support helps me grow and continue providing content like this. Let's now watch the final video together.